Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to easily obtain sintered brick. Sintered brick is a remarkable construction material known for its exceptional strength and longevity. It's essentially a type of ceramic, crafted from natural clay or shale. The key to its durability lies in a high-temperature process that transforms these raw materials into a robust, fused product. This makes it a preferred choice for many demanding applications. The process begins by shaping natural clay or shale into individual brick units. These green bricks are then carefully placed into specialized kilns. Here, they undergo a transformative firing at incredibly high temperatures, often reaching over 1,000 degrees Celsius or about 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit. This intense heat causes the material's particles to sinter, meaning they fuse together, creating a dense and incredibly strong structure. For most individuals, the simplest and most practical way to acquire sintered brick is through purchase. These durable bricks are readily available from a vast network of building material suppliers, both in physical stores and through online platforms. You can find them in numerous sizes, shapes, and a wide palette of colors, offering immense flexibility for any construction or landscaping project you might envision. Sintered bricks are highly valued for their exceptional durability and remarkable resistance to environmental factors. They stand up incredibly well against frost, moisture, and various chemical exposures, ensuring a long lifespan. Consequently, they are a top choice for applications like robust paving, attractive building facades, and essential load-bearing walls, providing both structural integrity and aesthetic appeal for many decades.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.